Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Altcoin Daily with Bitcoin Gorilla. And I am back today again to give you an update on the coin ICP. Now, if you do follow me, you will know I've made an update on ICP and why I told you to stick by. A pump is coming, but you needed patience. I said that in December, but we are in 2022 and I'm back to give you an update. What's up? Has it changed? Has anything changed? Are we still going up? You are going to find out because I will try to break down the fundamental analysis that probably I didn't tell you in my last analysis. As a result of the timing of the video, not everything can be said in one video. This is why I constantly update the video, and I am also going to break down the price again with simple price action, drawing the chart from scratch. No indicator is allowed, and showing you what I see. Remember, my analysis is going to be a weekly chart, so please, you need patience. I do see a secret move coming in 2022. Can ICPC, can ICP hit $2,000 in 2022? In fact, let's just start with 1,000. Can we get 1,000? Can we get two? We are going to find out. So let's break down internet computer currently trading at $33.9. In fact, it has gotten about 18% rise in price since the last 24 hours. You can see it right here. The move has pretty been good, even though the past 3 months has not been good. The past 3 months has not been good. It's been down, but the last today things are beginning to pick back up, and we hope that it's going to continue, but we'll find out when we look at the price, right? So internet computer total supply is around 475.96 million coins. This is approximately 475.96 approximately coins, right? So that's the total supply, and the current market cap is around $6.474 billion. That is the current market cap of ICP. Now, this is approximated. Now, if we go further down, we will see that the highest this price has ever hit in the past is around $750. That was 8 months ago, around May 2021. But that is no good news because this same coin has almost lost everything. About 95% is gone from that move. That is why it's still trading at $33, right? So the question is, what about the all-time low? Well, there's not been a real low in this market because it's just new. It just recently launched. Since it's recently launched, we have not really gotten an all-time low except the one we're seeing right here around the price of $20 or so. That is what we're going to see right here, right? On the price of $20 approximately, but it's not listed on coin market cap because the data is not that clear, because this just happened. We're still in that zone. We've not left that zone. So the internet computer is the world first blockchain that runs at web speed with unbounded capacity. It also represents the third major blockchain innovation. This is so important. People don't understand that after Bitcoin innovation is Ethereum innovation, and the next one is internet computer. Forget every other coin that has come after. We're talking about real life services. Bitcoin brought in the blockchain. Ethereum introduced DeFi, and now internet computer is about to is introducing Web3, internet unbounded speed at a web speed that is unbounded. You can do and undo. Imagine how fast you get your upload, download, and everything will be working so fast. No limit in terms of speed anymore. This is very important because a blockchain computer that scales smart contract computation and data runs them at web speed, processes and stores data efficiently, and provides powerful software framework for developers. By making this possible, the internet computers enables the complete reimagination of software, providing a revolutionary new way to build tokenized internet services, pan-industry platform, decentralized financial system, and even traditional enterprise system and website. It's changing everything. The project was founded just of recent. It went launch just of recent. The project was founded in 2016, but the launch just went of recent in December 2022. 2020. They launched the whole blockchain in 2020. So it's still a baby and it's still fresh, right? But the most unique thing you must know about internet computer is that internet computer, the purpose they have behind internet computer is to extend the public internet, so it can also be the world's computer platform. Today Google and the rest, Amazon, are really not doing good by handling our things, especially our data, right? So this, we want to make it decentralized. We want to bring the power to the people at a good speed. Today the internet is a network that connects everybody and everything, but systems and services currently run from private infrastructure. I'm talking about Google, Amazon, this big giant tech taking absolute control of everything. The scientific breakthrough behind the internet computer is chain key technology, which encompasses dozens of advanced technology such as novel sensors, no interactive distributed by key generation. Now, if we go further to look at the website, we're talking about singularity. The Infinity Foundation also has done a lot of contribution to this internet, right? So, internet computer just launched, like I said, and is an entrepreneur activity. It's an entrepreneur activity is exploding. Imagine a coin that just launched and went to almost 700 and something dollars. Now, what are the things that has been built on this internet computer blockchain since it has launched? Well, I see some good thing like Flip. Flick is built on ICP, right? Blockchain brings decentralized web hosting to the internet computer through Flip. With thousands of web page developed, Flick enables anyone to deploy their content on Web3. Now, everything about this about is Web3, and Web3 is the latest news, right? Is the latest news. Now, we are talking about DSCVR in a decentralized version of Reddit, where users are the owners, decentralized end-to-end, built on internet computer and accessible on any browser. Also, one of their major moves is the building of the origin, right? The Origin Foundation is blending. Now, this is one of its kind. This is one of the most important uh, things that have been built on the internet computer so far. NFTs for authenticating luxury. I'm talking about real life luxury. You can authenticate it using Origin, and Origin is built on top of internet computer. The Origin Foundation is a blending luxury goods with NFTs by providing digital verification for physical objects only possible on the internet computer. Now, a lot of things are still coming. A lot of apps are still building. You can see them. All these are built on internet computer so far. Remember, this is still new. Internet computer is still a baby, just launched in 2022, in 2020, but we are in 2022 now, and you can see how many apps have been. All these apps are currently running on top of ICP, which is good because a lot of people want to take advantage of Web3. It's going to be like the way NFT blew up is the way Web3 is going to blow up. This is why I encourage anybody, try to get involved in Web3 coins even before it arrives. This is how NFT came. We never really believed it's going to blow up, and NFT just blew up. Imagine the internet you're using today completely get revolutionized. Imagine that the way people build things are changed. People visit website, get incentivized, get rewards for just visiting the website, real rewards. A lot of things. Apps are going to get a lot of goodies. Great upgrade. I can't wait for this internet Web3 to just come. I'm tired already of Web2. But here's the thing, the native language of internet computer can be used on any browser without even you downloading it. So, as a developer, internet computer is here for you to change the way you build things. Hello, it's the team for me. The team are from top giant tech companies in the past, like Google, Amazon. In fact, so many big tech giants. These people are coming from them. Good citations everywhere. Dominic Williams, Jan Kenish, and a lot of these people are people with good reputation you want to check out. You can actually go and check them out. There are lots of them. There are over 200. So I might not really come and start explaining these people to you, but you can do more research by visiting the dinfinity.org. Now, D Infinity is not a profit organization developing technology for internet computer. They are just they have contributed a lot to the internet computer. And currently, when you talk about governance, you know, one thing about internet computer is if you have ICP and you are waiting for this $2,000 move that I talked about, I think you need patience. You're going to need a lot of patience, and you will want to stake your coin, because the coin staking actually brings a lot of reward, and the reward is almost 28.5%. Imagine getting 28.5% from doing absolutely nothing, just taking your coin. This is what ICP can do. Now, we know the technical analysis. Can we break down the fundamental analysis? Before we start breaking down the fundamental analysis, I want to say that if you like the strategy I use in my analysis, I am here to tell you the good news. Makaveli Traders is open. Limited access, please. We only have a very limited access to Makaveli Traders. If you are interested in trading with me, Bitcoin Gorilla daily, you like my strategy, you like my style, you want to know more about me, then please visit our Makaveli Traders. I'm a high leverage trader and I trade 125x. This is the website. You can visit me. You can see more about the website. You can join me and trade for the rest of my life. It's a one-time payment for a lifetime access. Now, this strategy that I've developed, I need to put a respect on my name. That's why I put a gate fee on it. I'm a high leverage trader. I trade 125x, and it's so risky that you need to be trained to be able to ride with me. You need to be trained, and I will give you one good 3 months intensive trading on Zoom live. And in this Zoom, I do not use demo account. I'm going to train you with real life account. Why? Because I'm here to teach you real life risk management. You will be able to have no more FOMO and no more liquidation. That is a guarantee. No more liquidation. But you trade 125S and you don't get liquidation. How? Well, you want to come in and find out yourself. You can see I can ride to over 1,300% using the highest leverage on any crypto futures. My love is futures. I love futures so much, but I have three types of membership. I have spot traders membership, I have futures traders membership, and staking membership. Now, mind you, one-time payment for a lifetime access. I'm not here for your money. Anything you make after you join Makaveli Trader is yours to keep. But I will always constantly daily share my trade with you, tell you market insights on the go, and give you access to my trading books, over 200 trading books, access to the family. You're going to trade not just with me, along with pro traders. These are pro traders. So it's not about just me, Bitcoin Gorilla. You are going to learn from real price action traders, trading alongside with them. All our trade are shared. We eat together, we lose together, right? So, hello, if you're interested, I'm going to leave the link. Remember, there's limited access and it will be closing by 27th of January. So, get your access now. Waiting might be too late. So, if you're interested, I'm going to leave the link to Makaveli Traders. Go to the website, scrutinize it, search, research, and do everything you want to do. Then come into the house. I'll be waiting for you if you're interested. So, hey, I know it's not for everybody, it's just for limited people. This is why we have limited access. I can't carry everybody along. I'm growing steady, sharing my analysis, growing with you, and teaching you. And you have access to retake the class. So, limited access. The link will be under this description. So now we can break down the price, right? So I'm going to go ahead to go and break by getting my stop loss. Did I just say stop loss? Sorry about that. By getting my support and resistance in this chart. Now you will tell me, can I even see the chart? Well, let's zoom in. So the first thing I'm going to get is my all-time resistance. You might ask me, what is even this word resistance? Now I'm going to define that, and I'm going to keep defining it in every video because I know new people are joining crypto every day. If you're so good at crypto and you know all of this, please, there is a timestamp under this video. Fast forward to where the technical analysis start. But for the sake of newbies, support and resistance. Support are areas of demand. The most important areas on your chart is support and resistance. demand an area of support where price is falling and couldn't fall anymore and is forced to stop at those areas and either go sideways for a while, that is a pause, or completely reverse and change direction. Now it can either change direction or keep going down. In this situation, we are on a great support, and I'm going to show you why. You can see price is no longer falling, price is talking, but will it keep going down or will it change? I am here to update you. You're going to find out. So I'm going to go further to get the support and resistance. Now, supports are always the opposite of resistance. Resistance are areas on your chart where price, when going up, couldn't go further up and is forced to pause. Example is right here. And dive down. Now, this is weekly chart, and the data on this chart is so small that I am forced to go and start dealing with daily chart just to get enough data to be able to draw my chart, because the weekly chart is leaving me with little or no data. So here I am on weekly chart, on daily chart, and I can now implement my box, right? But before I do that, I want to implement the box that contain the whole market move, since there's no much of it in one place, right? So that is my market move. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you that I will get the reset. Oh, this sideways is beautiful. I don't know why when people see consolidation or sideways, they easily lose patience. Well, this is what market makers like. Market makers use sideways to kick you out of very good, important entries. This is why you must learn patience. This is why I do my analysis on weekly chart. This is why you must know that trading is 10% buying, 10% selling, and 80% waiting. I have keep telling you, and I will keep telling you to learn patience, or else you're going to keep getting played by these market makers, because they understand that 85% of traders, if not 95%, don't have the patience. They don't have the patience. So here's the thing: internet computer is at a very important area and is about to leave that point anytime soon. And I'm about to show you why. So I'm going to get further and tell you that I can contain the price move drama from this point to this point. And this is very beautiful of us. Now, this is the first important chart, the first important area on this chart. Sorry. So here, that's my resistance. I'm going to use red. And this is my support. It's going to be beautiful once ICP is able to get above this point. So here's what I see. This chart is so easy and interpretable that I do not need much to interpret what is happening. A beautiful support. One, two was broken, completely shattered. So hey, I think I even need to adjust my box down to this point. This is getting fun. Down to this point. This is fun. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So you can see it's now making more sense. It will even make more sense. But can we get a seller's line? I think a mini seller's line will exit on a lower time frame. A mini seller's line. Now I can tell you this seller line is somewhere around 4 hours. Can we check it out together? So this is the seller's line on 4 hours, which we get, it's already broken. Hello, we need a minimum of 2 touches for a seller's line, and we have three right here. Beautiful three lines. Beautiful, amazing three lines. Right, one, two, and three. So we have a breakout. We have a breakout, and this breakout is heading for here. But there's a news I have to tell you. When a support is broken, it automatically turns into a resistance, and when a resistance is broken, it turns to a support. This is our support area, which is demand zone. This is our resistance area. But the ugly truth is that this new support is now a resistance. So when price gets into this area, we're going to have a struggle from $40. We could get a reaction around 50 to 50 to $60 range. I always like using range so that you know when price is around that area does not mean the move is over. It just means you need to be patient. So $60 range. So we could get a move, a reaction around 50 to $60 range, if not around $45. The first one, remember, these are mini time frame, mini resistance and on lower time frame. So we'll get a reaction around $46, but it will easily be conquered because we'll have a move like this. But the target, first target, is going to be $80. So they will react around $80 and come back run up. But in a longer term, the time real time we're talking about here is around $2,000, and I will come to update you on how that move is going to happen. But first of all, we need to conquer these two